Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Alright guys, I want to talk to you about Power Lead System with your Easy Profit 100 business. Okay, I've had this conversation with several people this week, and I thought I'd shoot a quick video about it. For those of you that this is your first time coming to my channel, you're here because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. I've been online since 2011 when I was working a job, and I found my success in 2013, and now I work from home full time. So I know what I'm talking about, so that's why you want to pay attention to what I'm saying. So make sure you stay tuned to the whole video so you can check out this valuable information. So for Easy Profit 100, let me show you real quickly why you want to use Power Lead System with that. Those two integrate together so you can double your income with the two. Alright, so what I'm going to show you real quick, as you can see, I'm all in with Power Lead System. I'm not going to go into all that. You can opt in to check it out, but this is about the two, why you want to put them together. Okay, as you know, Easy Profit 100 is a direct mail program. Okay, this program was set up and established to help the average Joe to be able to create income from home mailing postcards. Okay, it's a one-time $149. I've been a part of the program for 3 years now. Okay, and it's been around about 7 years. So you pay $149 one time, and you're gonna make $100 on every referral you bring into the business. Okay, your second and the fourth is going to be passed up. That's where you get the leverage from with it. Now, so what we're saying is, so you got that program, then you add Power Lead System, guys. Okay, here's my site for Power Lead, earnwithpandora.info. And then for the postcard program, you go right here, Easy Postcard Income. Alright, so you can rewind this back. But why you want to incorporate Power Lead with it is because it's a marketing system, which you need a marketing system, guys. If you want to be successful online, you've got to start building the subscribers, a list of people that you can promote your offers to. Okay, so you're going to have Power Lead on the front end. So what you're going to do, I'm just skimming through this so I can get you to the point here. You want Power Lead System because what you want to do is you come in as a gold member. Okay, spend $53.97, be a gold member, and become a diamond member as well. So spend $53.97, then spend $147 one time. Okay, and you're going to be able to earn $100 commissions for everybody that comes in the Power Lead System as a diamond. So think about that. So now you're going to make $100 with Power Lead. Okay, then you're going to also make your commission on Easy Profit with the 100. So that's giving you the 200. That's what's making you be able to have unlimited income with the 100 here, and then the 100 that's a diamond. I'm in a Wi-Fi location, so excuse the background. So when you think about that, guys, you're looking at $200 per sign up, not to mention the residual income you're going to earn with Power Lead System. Because remember, Power Lead System, you're going to earn $20 on everybody you bring in as a gold member. So think about it. You're bringing them in from Easy Profit 100. You make 100. Then you turn around, and most people are going to follow suit of what you're doing. So they're going to duplicate, and that's what we want you to do, is duplicate the process. That's what makes this simple and easy for the average Joe. So you're going to promote Power Lead System on the front end. You're going to make $20 when they become a gold member, and then they're going to become a diamond. So you're going to make the $100. So actually, you're going to make $220. That's just the beginning, okay? Because when you look at the Power Lead System, you also make 25% matching bonus on everybody that comes in as a diamond. Then you're going to make the 50% matching bonus on everybody that comes in as a gold member. So just imagine if you brought in one person, Easy Profit, that's 100. They join you in the Power Lead System. They spend $53.97. You make the $20. Then you make the $100 when they become a diamond. And then just think that person, if that person actually comes in and they produce when the Power Lead System, let's say they come in and they make $1,000 for that month. The 50% matching bonus, you're going to make $500. Okay, not to mention what you have already made up front with it. So you see the potential of where you can go with this by combining the two. So let me just show you real quick, because I don't want to keep you long, but I want you guys to see the value of why you want the Power Lead system on the front end. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to switch over here and show you one of the capture pages, give you an idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a capture page. Let's say something like this. Let's say you mail your postcards out and you put your domain on the postcard, and it sends them to a page like this. And so when someone reads this, it's captivating, right? So they put in their email, and then they go to a video. Now the video is going to speak on the Power Lead system on the front end, but when you set up your Power Lead system, let me show you real quick. When you set your Power Lead system up, you're going to go to your easy button. I'm going to show you where this comes into play. Hold on one second. Show you where this comes into play. What happens is when you set up your Power Lead, you go into here. Let this load up real quick. It asks you, do you have a primary business, right? Right here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the Easy Profit 100 link right here. So when someone goes into to the back office, they can see that you're a part of Easy Profit. Not to mention, you can select the option when you send out the autoresponder. It's going to send out emails on your behalf in reference to Easy Profit 100 and Power Lead system. So see, you're marketing two systems in one by using one platform. Okay, if that makes sense. So it's key to maximize your marketing efforts. If you're going to market something, why not maximize it, right? So you're actually marketing two systems, two businesses in one. Okay, so this is very important that you join here, you join Easy Profit. Okay, so you're going to join Easy Profit 100 right here. Spend $149 one time, order your cards, get you a domain, go to GoDaddy.com. Okay, and then you go to my link right here, and you're going to get the Power Lead system, and you're going to become a gold member. Okay, spend $53.97. Okay, you go, you spend $147 one time. Okay, and that is going to qualify you to receive $100 commissions. So now you're in position to receive $100 commissions from the Power Lead system and Easy Profit 100, and all the commissions that you're going to get by being a gold member for everybody that signs up with you in Power Lead system. The 50% matching bonus, the 25% overrides. Okay, so that off of one person, this just can turn into unlimited potential. Okay, so it's very key that you have a capture page. This is key. Okay, yes, we will get some people that are just curious and just going to put their information in. Doesn't matter, because the system is going to sift and sort those people out. If they see something they like, they're going to join it, or they're going to give you a call, maybe ask you some questions, and they still will join. Okay, and then not to mention, we're a part of we have a couple of different Facebook groups that keeps everybody engaged in a community. People like to be a part of a community. They like to see other people, average people like themselves, making progress, okay, in a business. So we're able to help in that aspect, so people don't feel like they're alone. They join a program and then it's like, well, what do I do now? Who can I engage with? Of course they can engage with you, but this broadens it. Okay, so it's very important to put these two, marry the two systems, guys, because that's what I'm doing. And then you can also send traffic here, guys. You can mail postcards, but you can also, we give you some resources of vendors you can use to buy some traffic to send to your website like this. That will speed up the process. Okay, and you're just building your list and you're getting more people. That's the whole meaning of everything, is to get people to look at your offer. The more people you get to look at your offer, the greater the chances of your sales coming through. Okay, so I just want to bring that up, guys, to show you the importance of why. Because I get people that, you know, get confused. Well, why do I really need, I'm in Easy Profit 100, why do I need this? This is why, to double your income. So if you're going to market for Easy Profit 100, why not market at the same time for power lead system and double your income potential. Okay, so that's very key. So that's what I want to bring to your attention. Easy Profit 100 plus the power lead system makes a powerful, explosive income home business, a residual income home business, and both of them pay weekly. So just imagine the potential of what you can make with them too. Okay, and you're going to get all the training you need in PLS, as well as the Facebook group we have to help you with a step-by-step guide to get you started. All right, so that's what I have for you today. I just wanted to bring that to your attention, and make sure you go ahead and click that button below, subscribe, so that you can subscribe to my channel so that you can get all my updates of all my new videos that I do, and you can know at any point what's going on when I upload new videos. And I'm accessible, so I'm going to put my information below as well. So if you're interested in giving me a call, you can do that as well, guys. But I'm just an average person that was determined and committed to making the online business work for me. I used to work in corporate America, and I wanted time freedom, and I just stayed with it over and over and over, and I remained committed to the process. It's about trusting the process, because I know my limitations, I know what I can do. So if I know I'm dedicated to the process, it's just a matter of time before the success came through, and that's where I am today. So I do work from home full time, and I want to help as many people do the same thing. Or if you're just here to just make extra income so you don't have to get a second job, we can help you do that too. All right, so check out the link below. Go through my funnel, check everything out, give me a call, let's connect, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. But definitely go ahead and get your Easy Profit 100 business up and running. Spend that $149 one time to get this business up and running right here. Okay, and then let's add the power lead system to it so that you can double the potential income. Adding postcard marketing and online together.
Welcome to Easy Profit 100. My name is Art Rayburn, and I am the founder of this unique and profitable home business opportunity. Easy Profit 100 is not a home-based job, but instead is a real business opportunity that allows you to generate $100 commissions over and over again, all from the comfort of your own home. I began Easy Profit 100 in January of 2010. And since then, this home business program has consistently sent out $100 commissions to ordinary people just like yourself on a weekly basis. I'm not referring to a traditional job paycheck. This is an affiliate program that pays out $100 commissions based solely on your efforts. So there's no limit to the number of $100 commissions you can earn. I'm not going to make false claims or fill your mind with hype, but if you're searching for a way to do something special with your life and create a home business income,